If you want to get a high score in the OET reading test, it's important that you're able to understand how paraphrasing is used in the questions. Keep watching as I'm going to explain exactly what paraphrasing is and show how being able to identify this can help you get a high score in your OET reading test. Hello everyone and welcome to this OET video from Swoosh English. My name is Grace, I am an OET teacher and academic manager. Now I would like to begin this video by explaining exactly what paraphrasing is and how this relates to the OET reading test, how it's going to help you. So paraphrasing is basically when an idea is written in the text using different words to the question or answer options. So although the same idea is being expressed, the words being used to express that idea may be slightly different. Now, paraphrasing is used in all three parts of the OET reading test, so it's really important that you are comfortable identifying this. So to help you understand exactly how paraphrasing is used in OET reading questions, I'm going to show you some questions and the text, and we're going to identify paraphrasing together. So let's get started by looking at OET Reading Part A. Here's our first example question taken from OET Reading Part A. We have a short answer question. The first thing we're going to do is identify our keywords, and then we're going to think about ways that this might be paraphrased by thinking of some synonyms. Now, first, let's think of some synonyms for sign. We might see indication, signal, symptom, evidence. These are just a few synonyms that I thought of, but maybe you can think of even more. And then problem. We might have issue or even complication. So now we've got an idea of ways that this question might be paraphrased. Let's go to the text and have a look. So we're going to scan through the text looking for keywords or synonyms of those keywords. If you like, pause the video here and have a go at that now and see if you can identify the answer. So hopefully you were able to identify the answer in this sentence. It normally indicates an issue with the bile duct or liver. So there's our answer, bile duct or liver, and you can see that it has in fact used some synonyms. Instead of saying usually a sign of a problem, the text says it normally indicates an issue. So here is a perfect example of how synonyms and paraphrasing have been used in the text. Let's take a look now at another Part A question. This time we have a sentence completion question, but we're going to do exactly the same thing. Identify the keywords. Now the first one there, immunoglobulin, is unlikely to be paraphrased. So let's think of this word lower. How might this idea be paraphrased in the text? Well, we've got reduce, decrease, drop, decline, a few different words that could be used to express this idea. Now, once again, let's go to the text and scan through and see if we can see any of these synonyms. So once again, pause the video if you want to have a go at this. Try to find the answer. Remember, it might be paraphrased. Okay, how did you get on with that? Did you identify this sentence here? And did you see that it was in fact paraphrased? So instead of using that word lower, and even that word as well, helps to lower, we've got aids in reducing. So there's our answer, antibody levels, but you can see once again that it has in fact been paraphrased in the text. So you've seen two examples there of how paraphrasing may be used in OET Reading Part A questions. Let's move on now to look at some Part B and see if we can identify more paraphrasing. So here is our Part B question. Now, if you would like a little challenge here, you can pause the video and go through the process yourself of identifying the keywords in the question and answer options, and then thinking about how some of these words and phrases might be paraphrased in the text. I'm then going to show you the text and see if you can identify the correct answer. So have a go at that now. Okay, are you ready for the text? Here it is. If you need to, pause once more and take a look at this text, see if you can find the answer. So how did everyone get on with that? Hopefully you identified that C was the correct answer, and you should have seen that the answer was found in this sentence. And did you see some paraphrasing? Yes, I think we did. So in the answer option, it says doctors currently do not spend enough time listening to their patients. But in the text, it says doctors frequently spend most of their time prescribing and less time talking to their patients. So you can see once again that the text has used different words. It's paraphrased that answer option, but you can see that the idea is the same. So there, once again, is an example of how paraphrasing is used in the text. Finally, let's take a look at a Part C question because yes, you've guessed it, paraphrasing is also used in this section of the reading test. I'm going to give you the opportunity once again to have a go at this yourself. So once I've shown you the question, you'll look for keywords, think about how some of the ideas might be paraphrased, then we'll go to the text and see if you can find the answer. So here is our question. Pause the video if you would like and have a go at identifying keywords and thinking about paraphrasing. Right, hopefully now you've done that. Here is the text and see if you can find the answer. All right, well done everybody. So did you get the answer? It was B. It can lead to an increase in participant motivation. Now going to our text, the answer was found in this sentence. Achieving these results may help to boost motivation. So boost motivation is another way of saying increase motivation. So another example there of how the answer was paraphrased. And well done everybody if you were able to get that answer correct. So hopefully now you have a good understanding of how to identify paraphrasing and how this is used in the OET reading test. As you can see, being able to do this can be the difference between getting an answer wrong and getting it right. So it is so important that you now take this skill and you go away and develop and practice and improve as much as possible before you take your test for real. Now, all of the strategies that I've shown you today can also be applied to OET listening. So where we were looking at the questions, identifying keywords and thinking about how these ideas may be paraphrased, it's exactly the same. The only difference is you are, of course, listening instead of reading. If you're looking for more support and help with your OET reading preparation and you're looking for practice materials and expert guidance, then head on over to our website, www.swooshenglish.com, and take a look at our OET exam preparation packages. They have everything that you need to get you ready for your exam, such as mock exams, analysis videos, writing corrections, live classes, and so much more. So if you're looking for that extra support, please do head on over to our website and see how Swoosh English can help you. Thank you so much for joining me, everybody. See you very soon. Goodbye.